Welcome to today's episode, where we bring you an extraordinary tale of courage, loyalty, and instinct. This is the story of Sultan, a stray dog from a small village in India who proved that heroes don't always wear uniforms. With nothing but his sharp senses and an unshakable spirit, Sultan risked everything to stop a disaster and save an entire train full of passengers. Get ready to hear how one dog's bravery changed the lives of hundreds and won the hearts of an entire village. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a stray dog named Sultan. He didn't have a home of his own, but the villagers cared about him. Children loved to play with him, and kind people often gave him food. Sultan was no ordinary dog. He was smart, watchful, and had a heart full of courage. One hot afternoon, Sultan wandered near the railway tracks outside the village. The air was still, and the ground was warm under his paws. As he sniffed around, he noticed something unusual. Part of the railway track looked strange. The strong, shiny rails were broken and bent. Sultan stopped and stared. He didn't understand machines or trains, but he knew something was very, very wrong. Just then, he heard a deep rumbling sound in the distance. The ground began to shake. The sounds grew louder and louder. A train was coming. It was big, fast, and filled with passengers on their journey. Sultan's ears perked up, and his heart began to race. He realized that if the train kept going, it would reach the broken tracks, and there would be a terrible accident. Sultan did not waste a second. He dashed to the middle of the tracks and stood tall. He began to bark with all his strength, "Woof, woof, woof." His voice echoed through the air. He barked again and again, louder and louder as the train came closer. The train driver leaned out of the window, confused. Why was a dog barking wildly on the tracks? But then, just beyond the barking dog, he saw it, the broken rails. His eyes widened in shock. Quickly, he pulled the brakes. The train screeched, the wheels screamed, and sparks flew as it slowed down. Finally, with a great shudder, the train stopped safely before the broken track. Inside the train, passengers were surprised and shaken, but they were safe. They looked out the windows and saw a single brave dog standing proudly on the tracks. Sultan had saved them all. News spread quickly through the village. People could not believe what they heard. A stray dog had stopped a train and saved hundreds of lives. From that day on, Sultan was no longer just a stray. He became the hero of the village. People fed him, cared for him, and treated him with love and respect. And so, Sultan, the brave dog, lived happily among the people who admired him, always remembered as the dog who saved a train. And that was the incredible story of Sultan, the dog who turned from a stray into a celebrated hero. His courage reminds us that true bravery often comes from the most unexpected places. Sometimes it doesn't take power, wealth, or titles to make a difference. Just a heart willing to act when it matters most. Thank you for joining us in today's episode. Until next time, stay inspired, and remember, even the smallest among us can create the biggest impact.